How to share a link on WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, open up the YouTube application on your phone. This is just an example. You can get the link from wherever you want. Now, I will scroll down to find or search for a video that I like. Then tap on the three dots below the video as shown. After that, tap on Share. Here, you can see all the sharing options available such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, and copy link, etc. Tap on WhatsApp. Now find and select the friends you want to send this link to. After selecting, tap on Next at the bottom. Then tap on Send. You have now successfully shared the link in this chat. You can repeat the same to share links with your friends on WhatsApp. So, by following these simple and easy steps, you can go ahead and share any link on WhatsApp.